So to begin to make the lotus flower, you're going to need 12 strips. So I'm going to take 2 pages, just like that, and I'm going to cut off this white part just so that we have more of an interesting part to weave. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold this. And that will give us our 12 strips. So 2 pieces of paper, and then you're going to fold it. Go ahead and cut your strips. And to start the weaving, you'll need 12 strips and some white glue. So you're going to start by making a cross. And you want to make sure you're right in the middle, so you're going to fold that in half. Fold this one in half, that way you'll know that you're right in the middle. You just need a smidgen of glue, not a whole lot. Then you're going to take another paper here, another paper here, and again just a dab of glue. And another dab of glue. And you're going to put the papers right close to each other like that. Now you're going to weave one above, so over, under. Get a dab of glue right there. Make sure everything's lined up. And then the same thing on the bottom. Dab of glue. Over, under, over. So it's just like regular weaving. Again, make sure everything's lined up. So you're going to take this one and glue them together. Just hold that for a smidgen. And then you're going to take this one and this one. Again, just hold that together for a second. You can always use a paper clip or something just to hold it for a little while until it dries. And then just go ahead and repeat. Once you've completed that, you're going to go ahead and make another one exactly the same way. And I'll show you how to weave them together. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and start all over again. little bit of glue here so the centers are glued together. And you're going to put this at a diagonal. And then you're going to stick the extra pages that you haven't woven. You're going to, if it's on top, you're going to tuck it under. If it's under, you're going to tuck it above, like so. So this one's above, so it's going to go under. This one's underneath, so it's going to go above. Like so. You can start to see it form. And now you're going to take the paper that you've either tucked through or over and glue it. Again, you don't need really a lot of glue. So this one got tucked through, so then it gets glued right there. Hold it for a second. Then this one is going to get glued on the other side since it went the other way. And they kind of just all line up. It doesn't really take a lot of fiddling. And you're just going to go around. And glue them all. Give it a little while to dry before you really start fiddling with it, but you can really see the lotus flower.